Hello geeks, welcome back to another new episode. Today's episode is about BharOS or BharOS. The goal of BharOS, which was created by the IIT incubated company Jandke Operations, is to become a viable Android substitute. BharOS is an operating system that is quite similar to Google's Android and is based on the Linux kernel. The only significant distinction is that BharOS has no apps at all. Notably, BharOS is based on a Linux kernel as well, so it will look and feel similar to Android. It's unclear who exactly uses BharOS at this time. According to the company, they have granted access to the OS to specific organizations whose users handle sensitive material that requires confidential interactions on limited apps on mobiles and that have rigorous privacy and security requirements. Once more, it's unclear when and how BharOS will be made available on devices. The business has, however, stated that it tested BharOS on a Google Pixel smartphone. We can anticipate BharOS developers contacting Android OEMs, but it is unclear when this will happen or whether OEMs will accept an alternative OS. The Play Store, Google Drive, YouTube, Gmail, Google Search, and Google Docs are the most sought-after Google applications. Additionally, it is true that these applications are not open source. Google can gather data and generate revenue from adverts using these apps. The fact that Google is the largest advertising company in the world is at the heart of its business strategy. The policies of Google have been criticized by many local app developers as stifling the market. Both MapMyIndia and IndusOS, the company behind the Indus App Bazaar, have been outspoken Google detractors. In some aspects, MapMyIndia's product, which has been around for a while, may even be superior to Google Maps for India. However, MapMyIndia's services don't receive a fair chance because Google Maps is the default mapping application for Android. Similar to Google Play Store, IndusOS features a well-curated app store but doesn't dare challenge it. You are mistaken if you believe that BharOS is the first operating system created in India. The Bharat Operating System Solutions, or BOS, was created by the Ministry of Electronics and its CDAC, Center for Development of Advanced Computing. One expectation was that the BOS will replace Microsoft Windows. The OS, however, fell short of expectations. Though BharOS will provide greater privacy and security than Android, we are unsure if it will serve as a viable alternative to Android. Android supports a wide range of smartphones worldwide. Android is the default operating system for more than a dozen different smartphone manufacturers. Whether BharOS will be as popular as Android in the future is unknown, at least in India. As far as now, Dude for Tech says BharOS is not ready to enter the market, but we expect it to roll out soon. That's all for now. Thank you for listening and your support. Subscribe to DFT Hot Shorts on your favorite platform and stay connected with us.